In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Google Drive Access in the Google Gemini Windows app. When you enable this connection, Gemini can securely reference your Drive files to help you draft, summarize, and find information faster, all without leaving the desktop app. We'll move through a short path in Settings and make one change, and you'll be set. Start inside the Gemini app on Windows. Look to the upper right corner for your profile image or initial and click it. That opens your account menu and the settings that follow your signed-in identity. Because access to Google Drive is tied to your account, this is where the switch lives. If you use more than one Google account on your computer, double-check that the one shown is the account with the drive you want Gemini to use. From that menu, choose Data and Privacy. This section gathers controls for what the app can use to personalize responses and what content sources it can connect to. Opening it brings you to the privacy dashboard specific to Gemini on your desktop. In Data and Privacy, find the Google Drive option and turn it on. You'll see a toggle next to Google Drive. Switch it to the on position. The app may show a brief confirmation explaining what access means, such as the ability for Gemini to read file titles and content as needed to answer your prompts. Review the note, then confirm to apply the change. Once it's on, Gemini can use your Drive within this app session whenever you ask it to work with files you own or can access. A few quick notes to keep everything clear. Turning on Drive access does not make your files public, and Gemini only pulls in content to fulfill your requests. You can come back to the same Data and Privacy screen at any time and turn the toggle off to revoke access. If you're using a managed or school account and don't see the switch, your administrator may have restricted it, in which case the option simply won't appear. After enabling, it might take a moment for the connection to initialize, especially on large drives. That's all it takes. Click your profile, open Data and Privacy, and turn on Google Drive. With the integration enabled, your everyday tasks in Gemini get much easier, from drafting with reference materials to generating summaries pulled from documents you already store in Drive, all right from the Windows app.